I chose to become an orthopedist because of the very strong and amazing ability to make a big impact in people's lives, and to be able to do that sometimes on a very quick or immediate basis. I specifically remember a patient that I helped with when I was in medical school at the University of Iowa. When I was doing my orthopedic rotation as a third-year medical student, I helped with a gentleman who had very bad, disabling hip pain from hip arthritis. I saw him before his surgery, helped with the surgery, and then afterwards I was amazed at what his pain relief was. Before, he really could just not stand it, and even with the pain of surgery, he was in a much better situation and was able to get around immediately very, very well. And that really impacted me, and really was a part of me choosing a career in orthopedic surgery. I have gone on to pursue a subspecialty in foot and ankle surgery, and that decision took place during my residency training years. The foot and the ankle was an area of orthopedics that very much was challenging. It was an area that was relatively underserved at that time, and I really felt that I could have an impact in that area. I also had a very, very good and positive mentor in my partner, Dr. Tim Fitzgibbons, and I'm very pleased with the decision to have headed into the subspecialty world of foot and ankle surgery. I grew up in Davenport, Iowa, part of the Quad Cities in eastern Iowa along the Mississippi River. I then went to the University of Iowa for college and medical school, and ultimately came to the University of Nebraska in Creighton Orthopedic Surgery Training Program. I came from a small family with two older brothers, really no one else in the direct medical field, but I had an interest early on in science and interesting scientific things, and it just led me down a path ultimately into medicine. Since coming to Omaha for residency training and ultimately staying for practice, my family has grown up here. I have three boys who are very, very active with many different things, including music activities and sports, and I enjoy spending my free time going to and watching and participating in their activities. Outside of work, my main activity is my family. That's a huge focus. It always has been and always will be. I love watching my kids participate in athletic activities or music activities. They're a huge, huge part of my life. My wife and I are very blessed to have a beautiful yard in which we can enjoy, and so doing yard work has been another one of those escapes that I enjoy and do on a regular basis outside of work. Golf was an activity that I once very much enjoyed, but with the other activities that consume time, that's fallen to the wayside. I suspect at some point it'll come back, but for now that's on the back burner.